Buenos dias, it is your girl Monica from @MonicaRoams, and today we'll be going to Las HAITISES National Park. We took a taxi from Macau to Sabana de la Mar, stayed there at our Airbnb, and then our tour guide picked us up, and this is our journey, baby. Woohoo! We just got this tour for 2,500 Dominican pesos, and now we're about to go grab fruit before our tour. Our chariot awaits. The bumpiest of roads. Yes. Look at all them chickens. What is happening? Oh my god! Hello, kitties. Bye. So I guess it's just us. But here we go, we're gonna explore the national park. About to go explore a cave! Now we're off to the next cave! And that was our half-day Las HAITISES National Park adventure. Now we're off to go catch a ferry to go to Samana. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.